Hello children, I hope you are all fine to learn English today. Okay, now we are going to learn about the struggling star. Before that, I am asking you some questions. What is your ambition? You say, what is your ambition?
I want to become a doctor.
Good. Okay, Devi, you say which is your favorite subject?
English.
Fine. You, next one. If you are defeated in a game, what would you do?
I will cry.
Oh, would you continue with the game or will you stop playing?
I will not play much.
Okay, let us have a story come conversation. Who was a struggling star who fight for the good cause? The person now becomes a success star and a hero now. Okay, now we are going to learn English through conversation come story. The struggling star. Whom do you call the star? Reply, ma'am.
Person who shines.
Yes. Whom is your star?
My star Sachin Tendulkar ma'am.
Yes. You say who is your star?
My star is Rajnikant.
Fine. Here we are going to see a struggling star. Before that, here a conversation between father and his son who is going to learn more about the struggling star. Children, could you please tell me, Niranjana, you tell me what is your ambition?
I want to become a doctor, miss.
Fine. Doctor, it's very good. Anandi, what is your favorite subject?
English, miss.
English, very good. You, Devi, if you are defeated in a game, what would you do? Would you continue with the game or will you stop playing?
No, I'm crying.
Oh, it's very sad. You will cry. Okay. The person who succeed in his life and struggle for his good cause, let us see who is the struggling star here. The struggling star. Whom do you call star? Okay, it's your Rajnikant is your favorite star. Okay, you Mahalakshmi, who's your star?
Vijay ma'am.
Vijay is your star. Okay, fine. You selected only in the cine fields. Don't you come across any other stars in your life?
I like Dhoni too, ma'am.
Dhoni, very good. Can you say any other stars in your life? Abdul Kalam, very good. Can you say some other stars, children? Jayalalitha, very fine. Okay, let us see one of the star in this lesson. Shall we go the conversation between father and his son? Okay, let us learn English today using this conversation. Okay, children? Okay, good. Farhan and his father are reading the newspaper. Usually what you do in your daily morning?
We drink coffee and read.
Like you, they too, Farhan and his father also have his daily habitual actions. The favorite part of his morning is reading the newspaper. He gets up, brushes his teeth, drinks his milk and sits with his father to read the news every day. Now Farhan, this is the conversation between Farhan and his father. Father speaks, Abu, what is the Young Leaders Award? Now father is replying for his son, it is Young Leaders Award. It is given to only 17 people from around the world every year. You children, please follow me in your book. It recognizes the effort they have taken to make the world a better place. Now, Farhan, wow, only 17. I am so proud that an Indian has got this award. Now, father is replying for him, do you know why he got it? Farhan, no, can you please tell me? Father, I am happy that you asked. It is very important to not only be proud when we see or hear such news. We should also want to know more about the news. You children, what will you do while you read newspaper? If you have any doubt, you should do what Farhan do in his father, in his life. Okay, likewise, father also happy to hear about Farhan, and he speaks, I am happy that you asked. It is very important to not only be proud when we see or hear such news, we should also, Farhan, learn from it. Yes, Abu, I remember this. Father, very good. Now here, father explaining about the young leader awardee, that Karthik, who was a differently abled person. Now let us know more about him. Karthik is a technologist who has not let his disability stop him from learning. Not only that, he has empowered other people with disabilities to be successful IT engineers. Farhan is now asking, what is disability? Do you know anything about disability, children? We have already know something about disability. What are all the disabilities we have already heard? Visually challenged, orthopedic, mentally retarded, and then etc. Now here we are going to see such a challenged person, Karthik Shani. He is a Punjabi. You want to pronounce Karthik Shani. Let us more about Karthik. Karthik is a visually challenged person. Let me tell you the story of his childhood. Karthik studied in Delhi Public School in New Delhi. He was a smart and bright student. Karthik did well in all subjects, but he liked science the most. Please children, follow me line by line. Everything was good for Karthik till his 10th standard. After scoring full marks in 10th standard public examination, Karthik wanted to study science in 11th and 12th standard. Now Farhan asking, I am sure he got it. He got full marks in 10th exams. Now father replying to him, no, actually the government rule in Delhi did not allow blind children to study science after 10th standard. Farhan, I don't think that's fair. Everyone should be able to study what they like, isn't it? That was Karthik also felt. He loved science and he wanted to study that. He refused to let his disability come in the way. He challenged the government and held campaigns to get permission. Finally, after 9 months, he got permission to study science. Not only that, he made sure that all blind students have permission to study science if they want. Now Farhan exclaimed, wow, 9 months is so long. I am sure I would have given up, isn't? Father, change takes time, Farhan. Would you work hard and be patient if you want to see change happens around us? Like Karthik was the first blind student in India to study science. Farhan, what did Karthik do after that, Daddy? Karthik's dream and passion were never limited. His love for science helped him get more than 95% in his 12th board exam. His dream was to study in an IIT. IIT is one of the best colleges in our country. I want to study in IIT too, Daddy. Father replying, good, but only if you want to study science. Every subject has different best colleges. We will talk about that some other day. So as I was saying, he wanted to study in the IIT, but none of the 16 IITs in India enrolled him. What? Again? Yes, Karthik. Yes, Karthik was sincere and learned well. He was also very good at science, but our colleges did not recognize his talent and treated him unfairly. Then, did he change their mind too? What else we do, children? If we have any struggle in our task, what we will do? We will stop our journey. But here, Karthik continues a journey and he struggled and protested for all his good cause. Yes, he did. After many months, he made the colleges open their doors to blind students. This helped nearly 15 blind students to study engineering in these colleges. Wow, he must be a strong person, not like us. Yes, he is strong. He is strong in his beliefs and learnings. He is strong in the efforts he put. What do you think he did after that? Farhan think about it and replies, he must have studied in the IIT. We too think like that, but things not happen like this. No, he did not. He got an admissions to study at Stanford University in the USA. It is one of the best colleges in the world. He wanted there and studied computers. Amazing. He also started 2 more companies that aim at helping children with disabilities reach their full potential. He believes that education and technology are more important to ensure children learn and sustain themselves. He says that he will try for many more months and years to come to make sure that all the 130 crore people reach their full potential. He is inspiring, isn't it? I will also work hard and achieve my dreams even if I don't always have the support I need. Very good. If we hard work, there will always be support for us. Sometimes the support comes from outside, but many times it comes from within us. Now go, get ready. It's time to go to school. Yes, Abu, Farhan replies to his daddy. So the conversation was completing like this. You children, what you have studied from this conversation? What you decided to plan to from this conversation? Can anybody else answer?
We should not feel disappointed at failures.
Yes, we should not disappointed at his failures. Okay, next. Edavadu proverb. Can you remember any proverb related to this conversation? Something where there. Oh, good. Hard work never fails. Any other proverbs? I can't hear. Some more audible. Okay. That too it is. Slow and steady wins the race. Fine. Next. Any other proverb? No pain, no gain. We can say another proverb. I am expecting the same. Can anybody else say this? Time and tide waits for none. Then any other? Somewhat relating. All the glitters are not gold. Fine. Then I am expecting what I am remembering from you. Then any other? Okay, now I am saying the Proverb, what I find out, where there is a will, there is a way. Okay, in the conversation we come across some hard words too, isn't it? Can you find out the words, find out the meanings in dictionary? Take your dictionaries and find out the meaning. What is the meaning for recognize? What is mean by recognize? If you know, you can speak maybe in bilingual or something. In your mother tongue too. Identify, very good. Then any other words? Angigarital, very good. Shall we go to the next word? Empowered. What is mean by empowered? Very good. Very good. Strengthen. Very good. Next. To give the authority or power. Next. Campaigns. That was the Karthik do in his life. Can you remember the conversation? You can answer this word. Children, please try to say the meaning. You can remember campaigns. Campaigns. Very good. To achieve goal. Next, any other words? Advertise. Okay, that's good. Next, please try to answer some more. I need some more ideas. What is campaigns? You can use your dictionaries too. Please have your dictionaries. Very fast.
To achieve the desired.
Yes, to achieve the desired. That activity is for some specific purpose what Karthi was done in his life. Okay, the next word, potential.
Capacity.
Yes, talent, ability, good. You are very fast to this word. Then next word, sustain.
Maintain.
Maintain, good, keep going. Next word, inspiring. Inspiring. Feel motivated. Very good. To influence or to attract. Very good. Here are some more words I have given to you. Copy these words and find out the meaning for these words in your dictionary. Okay, children? Effort, disability, successful, refused and achieve. Okay, let's have one recap. What we have already learned from the conversation. Farhan's father explains him about Young Leaders Award. What is Young Leaders Award? The people who achieved in the age between 19 to 29 around the world was eligible to this award. You children try to get this award. Okay, here who get this award? Yes, Karthik, who is a disabled technologist who succeed in his life, got this award. That too he is an Indian. Okay, Karthik, a great lover of science, was refused admission to science group in class 11 due to his, why he refused? Because he is visually challenged. Whether he stops in his journey? No. He fight for his good cause. He struggled and protested. You children, you must follow to fight for good. You must fight for your good deeds. What else you will do in your house? You protested for dresses and some more things. But here, what else Karthik do? He protests not only for him, but also for the other children's, other disabled children's. Okay. Next, he fought for, struggled and protested for 9 months. After 9 months, he got admission not only for him, but also for all the visually challenged children. He was the first blind student in India to study science. Then he went to Stanford University in USA and studied computers. He later started 2 companies. He received Young Leaders Award too. From Karthik, we should learn that if we work hard, we will succeed. Children, you should build up the skill to fight for good cause and should find ways to succeed challenges. Now, the struggling star, Karthik, becomes success star. Okay, children. Now, I finally come to the moral of the lesson. Find your struggling star in you. Okay, children. Let us know what you have go through yet now. Please answer for my questions. Let us start. First question. Who is Karthik? Who is Karthik? Karthik is a visually challenged person. Then he is also a technologist who was started 2 companies to help the challenged person. Isn't it? If you search in Google, now all the IIT colleges accepted him as a NGO to conduct classes in their institution. Isn't it? Whether it is good or not? Yes. Next question. Shall we go for next question? What is the disability of Karthik? Visually challenged. Very good. Okay. Which is Karthik's favorite subject? Science. Very good. I think you have followed me. What is the award that Karthik received? Yes, Young Leaders Award. The award was given to the age between 19 to 29. All around the world, only 17 people in a year get this award. Okay, next question. What will you do to achieve for your dream? Work hard. Then any other answers I am expecting from all of you? Consistent effort. Very good. Next. Can anyone? You, Magalakshmi? Confidence. Okay. Then? I can't hear. Please reply once again. Because? Yeah. Recall the goal again and again. Okay. Okay. Shall we go to next question? The last and final one. What will you do when you come across disabled people who need help? What will you do, children?
We will help them.
What will you help?
We will help them to cross the road.
Fine. You will help them to cross the road. To achieve their dream, think.
We will write exams for them.
Yes. You will write exams for them. You can support in their studies. Then any other ideas? You can encourage, you can motivate, you can support them financially, or can you can guide them?
Emotional support.
Yes, emotional supports also they need. Fine, you are all answered well, children. Good. Okay, finally, all the best to be a success star. Have a blessed day. Thank you.